Hello, unboxing. I am so pumped. I'm so pumped. This is my first of all, this is my second Simply Gilded order ever. And second of all, this is my first box from them. And third of all, look at it. Like, wouldn't you be pumped? Because I'm pretty pumped. Josephine's pretty pumped too, if you can hear her in the background. I'm tucking into this. I'm not even sure I know what's in here. I try to like not dwell too much on like reveals, you know? And I have a really bad memory, so I'm like really good at forgetting when I see something. Which is good because like every single order is a surprise for me. All right. All right. This is too much. I'm too excited. Well, as you can see, we have the inventory list here. We've got a journaling card, some washi tapes, a TN insert. I'm really excited about this gel pen. I actually do remember seeing this. Oh, I'm so pumped about that. A sequin shaker pouch, luxe sticker sheets, Sakura seals, and a mystery item. All right. And I got the add-on, the 5mm add-on. Here they are. They're super pretty. Let me try to take them out of here so you can see them a little better. All right, here we go. Oh, they're really pretty. There's like a robin's egg blue and the like almost periwinkle. It's a like pretty lavender reading blue. This white, which of course is classic, and this pink, which of course is classic. And like I said, this is only my second Simply Gilded order ever, so like I am trying to stock up. I'm really looking to stock up because I need more of their stuff, clearly. Oh, I can't. I'm getting crazy already. So these are the Sakura seals, I imagine. They're so freaking pretty. I don't want to use any of this. How am I going to use any of this? Oh, how do y'all people like commit this stuff to paper? We've got our washies. Let's see them all together. And the way this is packaged, like, genius, beautiful. It's so like compact and well put together. The usage of space is so nice. It like really makes my heart sing. My little organization loving heart. All right. Oh, come on. Look at that. That's too pretty. Bye. I'm dead. Okay. So these are like watercolor cherry blossoms. I don't know if you can see, that's rose gold foil. I wish foil picked up better on camera, but it's speckled with rose gold foil. It's beautiful. Then we have more cherry blossoms on this background that matches, like really fades into like this color. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, then we have 2 rose golds and 2 different style bows. And if you know me, you know I am a rose gold fanatic. So, that binding's cute. I've been getting into book binding lately, kind of. Yeah. So this is pocket size. Pretty sure. I got a pocket ring planner here. How cute. How stinking cute. I know, like, what else is there to say? It's just beautiful and amazing. And this, of course, is a sequin shaker pouch. This is so extra. It's just so extra. There is so much confetti in here, guys. Like, y'all. Oh, look at that. What am I gonna do? Like, how do I deal? It's too pretty. You know when something is just like so pretty, it like, you just wanna like eat it, you know? Like hug it and kiss it. That's me with like every item in this box. Oh, and you can never have enough pouches, as my mother-in-law would say. The Jelly Roll pen. Let me get a piece of scrap. Let me zoom you in. Look at that, it writes right from the get-go. Crooked. All right. Can you see that glitter? Yo, can you see? I think this is like pretty thick cardstock, so of course it didn't bleed, but okay. New favorite pen. New favorite pen. I think this is the mystery item. This is amazing. It's so weighty. It weighs like 100 pounds. Like, it seems so well. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's sparkly. Now I know that is not going to pick up. Ooh. I know I said the gel pen was going to be my new favorite pen. I'm like not a pen aficionado either. So I don't know like what to say about its quality or anything, but okay, well, I can tell you right now, it writes smoothly, beautifully, amazingly. It's so pretty. It's gonna look amazing in pen loops. See, why did I not do this sooner? Because I'm too new, y'all. This is the journaling card. Oh no, my foiling came off. Sad day. I think it says each day you can admire the moon, the snow, and the flowers. Japanese proverb. That'll look really pretty somewhere. And the sticker kit. Deluxe sticker sheets. The luxe, not deluxe. Like, I'm not gonna use these either. They're too cute. I can't. See, we're still zoomed in. And that's it. I am flabbergasted by the beauty, to be honest. Like, you know, beautiful things, pretty things, at least for me, they just make me so happy. Just seeing things that are aesthetically pleasing, I get very happy. Like a huge serotonin boost. It's like a drug. Like, I get like a shot of serotonin. I'm like, give me the stuff. And somebody shows me like this foiled like rose gold. And I'm like, oh yeah, serotonin. I'm so happy. Look, I mean, like, look, I could just like be buried in this. Bye. That's all I have to say. Just like bury me in rose gold sequins and make sure Simply Gilded designs my coffin. That's it. Bye.